Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the headlight on this VW Polo. This particular model is 2007, so the location for the headlight is just here. Okay, we got the cover dust cap here, so we're going to take that off. Okay, so right, so to start off we're going to take the dust cap off. There we go, that's the dust cap out of the way. Right, so the way we're gonna remove the bulb is we're gonna twist it anti-clockwise like this, and it just pops out. There we go, that's the bulb out of the way. This is the H7 bulb, so we're just gonna pull it out. There we go. Okay, that's the bulb out of the way. This is our new bulb. It costed us £5 from our local shop. So this is H7 55 watt bulb. So whenever you change the bulb, try not to touch the lens. Okay, so that's how it slides in. So just gonna line up the groove like this. There we go. Okay, so that groove, that it lines up with this clip here. Okay, so now we're gonna pull out the protective foam. So as I mentioned before, the way it goes in is like this. Just gonna line up like this, and then we're gonna turn it clockwise to lock it. Okay, that's the bulb fully locked in place. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the dust cap back on like this. There we go, that's the dust cap in place. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to test it whether it works fine or not. There we go friends, it's working fine. Thank you very much for watching the video.